Hello everyone, am I audible?
Good afternoon, Apida. I will have two exhibitors joining this sessions. Also, please wait them for a moment.
Good afternoon everyone. We will be starting up the session in a couple of minutes.
Hello, you are not audible.
Hello, am I audible now?
No, you are not audible still.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yeah, so we will be starting up the session in a couple more minutes. We are waiting for a few more exhibitors to join.
พี่วิชคะพี่วิชได้ยินปอปะคะ
ได้ยินครับ
เมื่อกี้ที่ปอพูดได้ยินปะคะโทษทีค่ะปอไม่แน่ใจไมค์มันติดนี้
ได้ยินครับ ได้ยิน
โอเคขอบคุณค่ะ
ครับ
Those who have joined new, good afternoon to all. We will be starting up the session in a few more minutes. Welcome everyone. I will start the demonstration now. Before starting it, I would like to welcome you all in today's demonstration of LED Expo Thailand plus Smart Tech ASEAN virtual edition. We have Mr. Vishal Mehta who will take you through the platform and who will go through all the queries which you have. And he will also be taking up the queries after the demonstration. So if you have, you may pen down the questions. And now I would like to hand over the mic to Mr. Vishal.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hi.
Okay, so we'll start with the demo, or we should wait. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Should we start with the demo, or we are supposed to wait for
Yeah,
someone?
you can start. We can start now.
All right, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so good afternoon, everyone, and I'll be sharing my screen. First of all, I'll take you all through, as Arpita said, I'll take you all through the demo, and then we can answer your queries, whatever you have. So I'll share my screen just a second. Who is the host, by the way? Okay, can you make can you enable me the screen share? Can you make me co-host, please?
Yes, Vishal, wait, I'm doing it. I would also ask you to speak little slow as we have family with us also.
Sorry.
Speak little slow.
All right.
Yeah, you can share now.
Yeah, so I hope everybody is able to see my screen.
Yes, Vishal.
Okay, so basically, since we all are exhibitors here, I would like to take you to the exhibitors part. Okay, so this is the main URL which will be shared to you, ledexpo2021.allvirtual.in. Once you land onto this page, okay, there is a button called as exhibitor login. So when you click on exhibitor login, you will be asked for your ID and password, login ID and password. So your login ID will be provided to you by our team, and you have to use that login ID and password and log in. When you log in, you will be seeing on your dashboard there is a button called as My Stalls, and also you can see View All Stalls. Okay, all means it's your stall only, one stall, and you can view. Either you can click here or you can click on My Stall. Okay, so when you click on My Stall, you will see your company name, what is there on the fascia, on the booth fascia, that name will appear here, and you have 5 buttons to navigate to your booth. So these are basically your data points from where you can download your data at the end of the day, or maybe altogether after 3 days of the exhibition. So when you click on go to stall, okay, when I click on go to stall, you will be directly landing onto your particular booth, and then you can see, you can check your contents whether they are being displayed properly or not. Okay, just browse onto your display panels, logo, and about us. Click on about us, check whether it is properly. Contact, okay, check whether, click on brochure and check whether all the brochures are properly listed or not. Check on the visiting card part. Then click on the website. It will take you, the website will open up in the new tab, and that will take you to your website. That send inquiry button is like something where all the visitors, if they have any inquiry, they will just type in their inquiry here, and you will get this inquiry on your dashboard, as well as you will receive an email. Right, so please make sure that the email is accessible. Okay, you may get any inquiry directly onto your email as well, and never mind, this data also gets stored in the dashboard as well. Okay, so most importantly, as and when any person will be coming onto your booth, irrespective of his clicking anywhere, okay, if he's not even clicking anywhere, not even downloading the brochure, he's doing nothing, he has just seen your stall, still that data gets captured in your dashboard. I'll show you where. Okay, now we have a chat functionality. Okay, so chat, and the first user will be provided the video calling link that will be coming in by tomorrow. Okay, so it will be emailed to you. Please make sure that you get it. And this chat button is already integrated, so make sure that all your booth representatives are connected over the chat. So it will redirect to the WhatsApp. Then videos, make sure that whatever videos you have provided, the video links that you have provided is working or not, and it is the same that you wanted or not. Okay, and then this schedule a meeting. So if any visitor want to schedule up a an off event meeting with you, sometime even after the event is over, he can simply select the date and time, and this data you will get onto your dashboard. Right, now I'll again go back to dashboard. On the top right hand side corner, you can see there is a button called as go to dashboard. Just click on there, go to my stalls, and click on this view visitor. Now view visitor, okay, this view visitor data, this is the data which, as I said, those people who have just simply viewed your booth, they haven't done any of the activity, so this is their data. You can click download. So before you download any data, make sure that you click on show all. Okay, so show all. So if there are more than 5 entries, all the entries will be seen here on the same page, and you can download it in Excel, PDF, or you can simply copy or a CSV format. Right. Similarly, when you click on any visitor activity means any people, any attendee who is downloading your brochure or visiting card. Okay, so that data will get captured over here. You can similarly click on show all first and then download. Make sure that you click on show all. Otherwise, if you forget to click on show all, only 5 data entries will be downloaded. So make sure that you click on show all, and then click on Excel, PDF, copy, or CSV, whatever you wish to. Then again, visitor inquiry. So as I said, any inquiry that is being posted onto your booth will be received here. Similarly, you have to click on show all and then download your data. And meeting request. So as I showed you the meeting, schedule a meeting button. Anybody requesting you a meeting, that attendee's name, email address, phone number, and with which exhibitor they have scheduled their meeting, and meeting date and time, that everything that data you will get it from here. So this is all about your dashboard. Okay, and if in case if you wish to attend the exhibition from start, you want to see you wish to see the entire UI, there's a button on the top right hand side corner, go to exhibition. So this will take you, you can visit other booths, other exhibition area, you can visit live session hall, auditorium, everything. So I think this is it from my side. Any questions? We are open for questions.
Vishal, if you could show the visitor interface once.
Yeah. Okay, so I think visitor interface will start like this. One second. Okay, so this is the visitor interface wherein every visitor will come onto this page. Again, same like you. They will just use their email ID to log in. Okay, click on login. This is the hoarding. Okay, advertisement space. Again, hoardings are used. Then when they click, it pops out. Okay, when they click, it pops out so that it is more clearly and readable, although it is clearly readable. Then click on proceed. Then likewise, this is the entrance of the exhibition hall, wherein again you click on any of the banner, it will pop out. Any of the banner, it will pop out. This again, it will pop out. Right? Then you click on to enter. This is the help desk, wherein the agenda, the show agenda can be viewed from here. Technical support, if any attendee is requiring any technical support, they can simply click here and click on chat. Our technical person will be ready to sort out any issue if they have. Then click here to contact show organizers. So if anybody wishes to contact show organizers, they can click on chat and get in touch with show organizers. Okay, so this is the help desk. Then we click on proceed. Now this is the lobby. So as you can see, there is a hall 1, way to auditorium, and way to live session hall. So this all 3 buttons are the gateway to various sections of the exhibition, and these are being animated. So you can see there is an animation effect just so that people can know they have to click there. Okay, so this is a hall 1. Again, you can see there are lot many brandings out here, and let me take you to the exhibition hall. Okay, so this is hall 1. So when I click on hall 1, I can see the entire drop down of the list, okay, which are there available. So I will click on the first stall. Okay, likewise you can click on all the stalls. Okay, then the category, the country which they belong to are mentioned here. Then I'll go back to lobby. Let me take you to the auditorium. When we click on auditorium, this is the auditorium, wherein the pre-recorded videos of the exhibitor sponsors maybe it will be listed here, or the recorded sessions will be listed here. I'll go back to lobby. Then there is a button called as way to live session hall. When I click on way to live session hall, the live session, the inaugural session, I believe that's going to happen, and that will be seen here. Okay, wherein there are buttons like show agenda, ask a question. Again, from here, if they wish to, the attendees wish to go to the stall area again, they can click here and go back to stall area. And this is for an open live chat. And again, I click on again, go to stall area. So again, this is how again I come back to the stall area. Yeah. So this is it. More things I think we can enjoy once we go live. Yeah. Any questions?
Hi, Vishan.
Yeah. Hi.
Vishanon from Thailand. Basically, I just would like to know that the video presentation or the lobby can be basically set not running by itself, but just by a request each user when they coming on the lobby.
So you mean to say that the video which is getting played, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So the first video, it is automatically starts playing when the person is coming, to the lobby, or again he's doing back and forth in the lobby area. Am I clear, or you wish to?
Okay. Thank you, Vishan.
Yeah.
Basically, in terms of some user when they get back to to the lobby, the video is running again and again. So that's why probably it's gonna be disturbed for the visitor or exhibitor themselves as well during the session or during the visit in the platform. So that's why I think probably in terms of the video presentation, it's gonna be set like a not running all the time, but basically just only set like a by request each visitor or exhibitor that's getting on the platform itself.
Yeah, so it is by default. It is preset.
Okay. Okay.
Any other questions?
Sorry, I'm Paul from Thailand also. I would like to ask, beside of the name of the visitor or contact detail of the visitor that exhibitor will receive, we will also show up for the company name of them too, right?
Absolutely.
Like
Yeah.
full detail. That
Yes,
we
whatever data the visitors provide during the time of registration, that data probably I can say name, number, email ID, company name, designation. So if they provide, you will get it in the data
okay.
table. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Any other questions? I think it is pretty clear. I mean, it's very, very, user friendly and simple to use. So no more hopscotch.
Any question from any of our exhibitor? I think we have cleared all the
In
questions.
Thai for a little bit. May I speak in Thai to communicate to my Thai exhibitor for a little bit, please?
Yes.
คุณแนทกับคุณพี่แอนมีคำถามไหมคะ
ไม่มีค่ะ
ได้ค่ะ พี่แอน
ค่ะ
เดี๋ยวปออธิบายให้พี่แอนฟังอีกทีก็ได้เนาะอย่าหลังจากนี้ปอสกรีนช็อตไว้ค่ะ
ค่ะ
โอเคได้เลยค่ะพี่แอนขอบคุณค่ะ
จ้า
No more corrections from Thailand ค่ะ Thank you.
Thank you. Any of our exhibitor, any other exhibitor? I think Vishal, we are more or less clear to the platform.
All right.
If any exhibitor have any other query after the demonstration, they can put up to us directly and we'll get back to them.
Sure.
Thank you.
There is one question from Harsh. Can anybody just reply him?
Yes, we will be sending all the exhibitor and visitor data to all the exhibitors.
Mr. Harsh, you have any more question?
No.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, Vishal. Thank you, everybody, for joining us.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vishan.
Thank you.